Hi, my name's Jared Shelley from Autofidelity. Today we're having a look at this DB11 that we've just retrofitted the brand new BlackVue DR970X. Here we see we've hidden the camera from the driver's perspective by putting it behind the rear view mirror. So when you're actually sitting in the driver's seat, you don't see that camera at all. But nice and easy to access the SD card and wiring if required. But looking from outside of the car really doesn't take away from the beauty that is this DB11. For more information on this or any of our other products, jump on the website at www.autofidelity.com.au and send through an email. Once again, my name's Jared Shelley. Thank you for watching.